Now, let's get familiarized with the basic components of the Arduino Uno board. The Arduino Uno is powered by 80MEGA328 microcontroller, which acts as the brain of the board. It controls the board's functions and executes the code you upload. The IC package can be either SMD or DIP. The board has a total of 14 digital input-output pins, labeled from 0 to 13. These pins can be used as either inputs or outputs, making it possible for the board to communicate with digital devices such as sensors, switches, LEDs, and more. These pins operate at 5 volts. Pin 13 is the only one with a built-in LED that can be used to output a signal. The board features 6 analog input pins labeled A0 through A5. These pins enable you to read analog signals from sensors or other devices. It has several power pins that provide power to the board and connected components. These are 5 volts, 3.3 volts, and ground pins. And there is also one which is B-in, stands for voltage input. These pins allow you to supply an external voltage to power the Arduino Uno board. The voltage supplied through this pin can range from 7 volts to 12 volts. Using this power connector is how you power your Arduino Uno when it is not plugged into a USB port for power. It can accept input voltage between 7 to 12 volts. Power LED indicates that your Arduino is receiving power. The reset button resets the microcontroller, restarting your code execution from the beginning. The USB port allows you to connect Arduino Uno to your computer for programming and power supply. It also facilitates communication between the board and your computer. TX and RX LEDs indicate communication between your computer and Arduino. They will flicker rapidly during sketch upload and serial communication. These are the basic components of Arduino Uno. Familiarizing yourself with them will give you a solid foundation for working with the board and creating your own project.